to my channel. Today I'll be doing a cook along with me. I'm going to be making some buffalo chicken dip. It's one of my favorite meals to make. And instead of the cream cheese, I'll be using the Greek yogurt. It's so good, you won't even tell the difference. It's ever since I've been making it this way, I haven't even done it the old way at all. So I went ahead and preheated my oven on 400, and now I'm going to go ahead and just start mixing up everything and just putting it in the bowl. So now I'm just going ahead and opening up my yogurt, and actually bought the bigger one, and it's the Greek yogurt, and it's the Great Value kind. And honestly, I could have used a smaller one, but for some reason when I went to the store, I bought the bigger one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use the whole thing. And I also bought the 2-can chicken, and it's also the Great Value kind. And then I have my cheese, and that is also the Great Value kind. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put all that into my bowl. I first put that in my bowl, and then I'm gonna take my chicken and drain out the water and then add that to my bowl, so you will see that in a few minutes. I'm just adding in my cheese, and I actually like a lot of cheese, so you'll probably see me add a pretty good bit of it. And I mix that all up before I start adding my hot sauce. So now I'm just gonna add in my buffalo hot sauce, and I actually don't measure anything. I'm just gonna eyeball it, and just if it looks like it needs some more, I will add more. That's what I usually do with most of my meals, unless I have directions, of course. But with this, I just kind of eyeball it. I'm just pouring everything into the pan, and before I did this, I knew it was not going to fit into one pan because I've done this before. But for some reason, I thought that I was going to make it fit into one pan, and then, I mean, you're going to see me try to move more over to the other pan. So, I mean, I don't know. Maybe I thought that I could just make it happen or something. But yes, when you use this size of yogurt, you're gonna need 2 pans. But if I just use that smaller version of the yogurt, I only would have needed the 1 pan. on top. Again, I like cheese, so I'm just gonna add a pretty good bit of cheese on top of the buffalo dip. So I just go ahead and put that into the oven, and I'm gonna let that bake for about 20 minutes. And since I'm gonna let that bake, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up my kitchen and my dishes. And I'm actually gonna wash these by hand because I already have clean dishes in the dishwasher. So I just went ahead and washed these by hand. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just straighten up my kitchen as well. Now I'm just gonna use my Mrs. Meyer's to just clean out my sink. And I love my Mrs. Meyer's hand soap and my dish soap. It smells amazing, and I'll actually leave my link below, and you can use my my link to go in, and when you order something, you'll get a free gift with your order. So this is different from my power hour videos that I've been trying to do. And give me a thumbs up if you really enjoyed this video. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I actually enjoyed this video, and I would love to hear comments from you guys if you enjoyed it as well. And yeah, I would love to hear from you though. Now I'm just pulling those out of the oven, and I made a whole lot of it, and it's just me and my dog Cooper. But of course I'm the only one eating on it, so it lasted me a pretty good bit. Actually, the entire week I just kept eating on it for lunch and dinner. I'm the type that I can eat things over and over and over and I don't get tired of it. So it was really good and I really enjoyed it.